Hey guys, Kevin Newton for Australian Survival Instructors. I was out bush trying to find a nice spot to film to practice some hand drill. I was looking for a nice overhang such as this one, and I came over the ridge here and I was just blown away. Every now and then, once in a lifetime, if you go out bush, you'll just find a really special spot that's pretty much untouched. And when I mean special, the proof is on the walls here. This is obviously a native shelter from many years ago. There's stencils, there's petroglyph. Well, there was one petroglyph further down, and there's stencils and drawings here. So, absolutely amazing spot. This is so special. I'm very fortunate to have come across it because it does look untouched. I had a quick look around. There's no litter, no footprints, nothing that suggests modern people have been here. And also behind the camera, there's some old charcoal and fire hearths, and even remains of a meal with some shellfish. So this is pretty special. I don't think I'll come across something like this again. So I have seen some good stuff out in the desert of Western Australia, but that's sort of so remote. You sort of expect to come across things like this, but finding this within a couple of 100 kilometres of Sydney, this really is special. This really is absolutely untouched. Amazing. You can see this rock here that I found on its own at the base of the cave system. It hasn't fallen off from the wall. I've double checked. On its own, straight up, I thought, all right, that's a bit, unusual. I assumed it could have been used for something, and straight away when I started cleaning the layers of sand off it, and hopefully the GoPro will pick this up. It's got a groove, a distinct groove, and actually there's two grooves at the base, and then pretty much a bowl shape here. So this would have been used as a grinding stone to seed. Maybe break open some shells, perhaps. Yeah, that's a great find actually, to find that here. It's quite distinct, this groove and the base here of the bowl. That's awesome. Get a good close up of this. Yeah, most people go hell for leather when they start out with their hand drill, but just bed your drill in, make sure it's comfortable, and then slowly speed up till you can see smoke appearing. Okay, now we can do a couple of power strokes. We have our coal. Hopefully the wind's not going to blow that out. And I'll quickly pop that. Quickly pop this into my bird's nest before it goes out. That's a nice sized coal.